Hi friends, in today's video tutorial, we would study how to prepare this geometry in AutoCAD. So as usual, we'll first spend some time in analyzing this drawing and trying to see how we'll proceed with the geometry. So after analyzing this drawing carefully, I feel that the first best starting point would be this inner circle of 22 dia. So I'll begin by drawing this inner circle of 22 dia followed by this outer circle of 52 dia. Then I'll copy both the circles to the right center to center distance of 120 units. Then I'll draw one line extending from the center point of this circle to the center point of this circle. Then we'll copy that line downward at a distance of 24 units, then upward at a distance of 50 unit, and again upwards at a distance of 110 units. Then I'll draw one circle from the center point of the line drawn and a diameter of 22 units. Then I will draw this polygon which is of 3 sides and fillet its corners to 10 radius. Then I will draw this circle which is of 50 dia. Then I'll draw this circle which is of 20 dia followed by this circle of 30 radius. Then I will draw one line quadrantial to this circle extending downward 24 units and then tangential to this circle. Then I'll mirror both these lines to the right. And our geometry would be complete. I'll follow it by creating the center marks and the dimensioning, and our drafting is complete. So let me show you how we'll proceed with the drawing. So we'll first begin by drawing this inner circle of 22 dia. So I select circle, center diameter. I use this as a tracking point and click somewhere close by over here and give the diameter as 22 units and hit enter. Then I'll draw this outer circle which is of 52 dia. So circle, center diameter, center point is this and diameter is 52 and hit enter. Now I'll copy both these circles to the right. CO for copy. I'll select both these circles and I'll hit enter. I'll give this as a center point and specify the distance as 120 and hit enter. This is the distance which is given here. I'll press escape to come out of the copy command. Then I'll draw one line from the center point of this circle to the center point of this circle. Hit enter. Then I will CO for copy. Click on the line to copy. Hit enter. Specify the base point as midpoint and specify that I want to copy it downward at a distance of 24 unit and then upward at a distance of 50 units and upward at a distance of 110 units and hit enter. Again press enter to come out of the copy command. Now I want to draw this circle which is of 20 dia. So I will select circle, center diameter. This is the center point and the diameter is 20 and hit enter. Now I want to draw this arc which is of 63 radius. So I will use the fillet command of AutoCAD and R for radius and give the radius as 63 and click over here and click over here. Now we want to draw this portion. Now see, if we use the fillet command and we say R for radius and we give the radius as 115 and then we hit enter and then we specify this as the first line and this as the second line, you see you get the filleted arc this way. Now we don't want it this way, we want it the other way around. Hence we are not going to use the fillet command, but alternately we'll use tangent radius. So I will select this as a tangential point, this as the second tangential point and the radius as 115 and hit enter. Then I will trim the unwanted part of the circle. So I'll trim this part and I'll hit enter to come out of the trim command. Now we want to draw this polygon. So I will type polygon command and I will hit enter. Number of sides is 3. Then specify the center of the polygon and we have to give the distance. Now you can see it is asking you whether you want a inscribed or a circumscribed circle. So I want a circumscribed circle and specify the radius. So you can see the diameter is 50. So we'll give the radius as 25 and we'll hit enter and our polygon is ready. Then I will type fillet and give the radius as 10 and then press P for polyline and click over here so all the 3 corners get filleted. Then I will use the circle center diameter command. This is a center point and diameter 50 units and hit enter. Now we want to draw this upper circle of 20 dia. So circle center diameter. This is a center point. Diameter is 20 and hit enter. And then again circle center radius. This is a center point. Radius is 30 and hit enter. Now I want to draw this line. So I'll type line. I'll click over here, extend it downward 24 units and hit enter. And then I will turn the ortho off and I will select tangential to this circle and hit enter. Then I will mirror both these lines, this line and this line and hit enter. Give the center point of the mirror line and second and press enter and the objects get mirrored. Now you can erase the unwanted parts of the circle. So I type trim and I no longer need this, this and this. So we have trimmed that part of the circle. We also do not need the referential lines. So we type erase and we erase this, this, this and this. Hit enter. Then we select all the objects like this and we change the thickness to 0.30 and press escape. Then we type CM for center mark, click over here, click over here, here and here. Then we select the, one center mark is remaining here. Then we select the 4 center mark and one more is remaining here as well. Then we select the center marks 1. This is the first center mark, second, third, fourth, fifth and change the color of the center mark to red or a color of your choice. Then we can press escape to come out of the center mark command. Now we'll begin with dimensioning. So we'll first select radius dimensioning and click over here. Radius is 30. Then we'll select diametric dimensioning. Click over here. Diameter is 20. Diametric dimensioning and click over here and diameter is 20. Then we have to give this distance. So we say linear dimensioning. We select endpoint of this, endpoint of this and it is 24 units. Then again linear dimensioning, center to center distance of 110 units. And again, linear dimensioning, center to center, distance of 24 units. And again, linear dimensioning, center to center, distance is 50 units. Now we have to give the radius for these filleted edges. So it is 10. Then we have to give the diameter for the inner circle, and that is 50. Then we have to give the radius for this filleted circle. Then we have to give the diameter for this, and then we have to give the radius for this, and then we have to give linear dimensioning, center point of this to center point of this, and it is 120. And then diametric dimensioning, diameter of the inner circle 22 units, diametric dimensioning, diameter of the outer circle 52 units. If you want, you can repeat the dimensioning here also. Diametric dimensioning for here 52, and diametric dimensioning for this circle is 22 units. So with this, we have finished this geometry. So friends, in this video tutorial, we have seen how to make this geometry. Hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.